Hi everyone, it's me Crystal. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the Artsnacks box for September 2020. As always, we get our handy dandy little menu that lets us know exactly what's inside. We got a super cute Artsnacks sticker. I like the little polka dots on this one. And I got a Jawbusters for the snack in this month's Artsnacks box. The first piece of actual art supplies is a Kuretake Zig Cambio Tambien brush pen. Retail price for this is normally $9.80. Brush on some major color with the Kuretake Zig Cambio Tambien brush pen. Its water-based pigment ink will make your calligraphy and illustrations pop. Unlike other brush pens, you don't need to press the body of this pen for ink to flow. To use, twist off the pen nib, remove the yellow ring, remove the yellow cap, and retwist the nib onto the body. The ink will then slowly flow into the bristles after a couple of minutes. To make this easier, I also usually put it upside down in a cup with the cap on. Just let that brush tip go to the bottom and let gravity help the ink kind of flow where it needs to go. I'm actually pretty excited about the color for this one. I don't have any inks in a yellow really, so that'll be a nice addition. They usually send out different colors in the boxes. Let me know in that comment section down below what colors you got this month. Next we have a FaberCastell Polychromos colored pencil. The retail price for this is normally $2.90. FaberCastell introduced their Polychromos colored pencil to the world in 1908. Renowned for its high-quality pigments, this pencil delivers unsurpassed light fastness and permanent, rich color. Get ready to experience buttery smooth, color laydown, and sharp, fine lines. I do have a couple of these pencils. I like them a lot. The color I got is sky blue. The following item we have is the Sakura Pigma Micron pen. The retail price for this is normally $2.99. A must-have product for all artists. The Sakura Pigma Micron was made for everyday writing and sketching. This fine liner's needle tip is perfect for detailed illustrations. Best of all, the patented Pigma pigment ink is archival, reliable, and waterproof. The size I got is 03. These are really nice and waterproof. It'll be good for laying down lines before you use any of the other products. And you should really use this before the colored pencil, because usually putting marker on top of colored pencil is not good. The final item is a Uni Pasco PCF 350 brush tip paint marker. Retail price for this is normally $9.99. This is a staff favorite. Uni Pasco markers are loved by artists and creatives everywhere. An essential tool for creation and self-expression, this popular paint marker contains opaque, water-based pigment ink that writes on all surface types. You'll find the odorless ink dries quickly and permanently. To use, shake the marker gently and pump the push button on the end to prime the ink into the brush nib. There's a little cap on the push part that you have to take off. I didn't realize that at first, so I was trying to just pump it. It wasn't working without that off of there. I also think that I didn't wait long enough for the Kuretake Zig ink to dry because it started mixing in with the white Posca pen. I didn't mean to do that, but it does show that you can mix the inks together if you want to get some variation in color. I'll be able to lighten up my yellow pretty well, and if you got two different colors, you can mix them together and see what happens. They say it's opaque. I don't know how opaque it actually is. It looks slightly translucent to me. Doesn't seem perfectly opaque, just my opinion. But with that, this Artsnacks unboxing and therefore this video is pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you want to tell me about any of these items in this month's box, let me know all about that in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Artsnacks unboxings and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!